Honey, please be fast. We are late. Bulgaria.
Oh, my love.
So.
I hope you've gotten everything. What did you put inside?
Your loads. Your bra here, your pants here, all your God have mercy upon us. Your jacket. I told you there is no cold in Nigeria. You shouldn't pack more jackets. You pack jacket.
I need to be prepared.
Pant.
And I hope you know that I'm not staying in house. I'm going to enjoy my...
No, I told you, come first. Wait, let's talk this thing over. I told you that once I take you to Nigeria, there is a special hotel built in Owerri, a home away from home. You will enjoy your comfortability, realization, actualization, and all those African delicacies that you normally like over here. You will eat them there with
full enjoyment.
Yes. So I am taking you straight to Titanium Hotels and Suites. Titanium Hotel and Suites.
I hope it's not anyhow hotel.
No, now.
You know me and luxury together.
You are luxury yourself. So the hotel is located towards Port Harcourt Road.
Okay, but it's in Imo State.
It's in Imo State. And you know this hotel now, they are running a promo. If anybody register with them, you are lodging there anytime you visit UK. The CEO of the hotel here in UK will take you for tour. He will tour you around the whole UK.
So if you come for UK as a tourist, as enjoyment.
Yes.
The same way you came the first time to
He was the one that took, you saw me and my children. My auntie's children, that we went to Green Water.
That man is very kind then. Very kind. Don't worry. You're an elderly. Don't worry. I am learning to be kind like Titanium CEO.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
But if I like it, I'm gonna be staying there every time. I'm not coming to your house again.
Good. We live in a hotel. Luxury or not.
Not only you. Not only me. This is only for enjoyment.
Luxury or nothing.
And I hope Maggi is not coming to the Titanium.
Who?
Maggi.
Maggi, Awaranaba. Is she crazy? She's barking like a dog. Can't you see? Immediately you mentioned Maggi, dog started barking. Because she's in fact, she is an outdated human being.
That's why I love you. You take care of me.
Nigeria, here we come. Titanium Hotel and Suites Owerri, here we come. Bulgaria Oyibo is
ready.
Coming inside of you.
And every time you talk, when are you coming to Nigeria? I'm coming and I'm gonna be in Owerri in Titanium Hotel.
Yes, yeah.
No, I can do it by myself. Fish pie!
Hey.
Now, wow.
Here, this girl got given in Nigeria. You don't know Charlie here. No question, no one your chamonia. Oyibo, or Igbo, because we may real. But maybe really fish pie. Zora Karako, Zora Paoko, or Paoko.